This is the mini cooling fan from AliExpress, available in 2025 for just 99 cents. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe, share and leave a like. I got this for just 57 cents USD with coins discount. It's available for 99 cents as a welcome deal. Quite a bargain to grab. Can we beat the heat with this during summer? Watch this so you can decide if you are to purchase. Can get it for less with discounts though. This is how it arrived from AliExpress. It's a bit smashed up. That's fine as long as the device doesn't have any damages. On a hot summer day, you might want to relax on a couch, sit in the bedroom, kitchen, or just do some documentation and want to feel cool breeze into you. Then this is for you. You can use a power bank to power it up outdoor as well. Let's open this and see what's inside. It's available in different colors, black, white, and many others. USB cable is there, USB A to USB C, and instruction manual as well. You'll need a separate power block to power this up. The water container is at the top. Can add 600 milliliters of mineral or tap water and ice as well for more cooling, but not distilled water. There is a sensor in the tank, and if the water level is too low, it will cut off power to nozzles. Specs are here. Minimum power needed is more or equal to 5 volt 2 amperes. If 2 amperes or 10 watt is not provided, the humidifiers will not work properly. The fan can be tilted at, let's see, I hope I won't break it in the process. Can be rotated 180 degrees either way. I'm not going to try 360. You can put a cotton pad with perfume here in front of the fan at this place. Five nozzles are above the fan, and above that are the 4 button switches. Let's power it up with USB-C port and switch on. Requires 5 volt 2 amperes or more. There are 4 buttons in front. First is for fan. Press it once, 1 LED will come up, twice 2 LEDs, and press it again and 3 LEDs. 1, 2, 3 works as a speed step control. 1 is the slowest and the third one is the highest airflow, and fourth time it will stop the fan. As you switch it on, the night light will run through itself, self-test kind of. We'll do the paper test now with this standard 80 GSM office paper to give an idea of how strong the airflow is. This is low speed. Now medium speed. And high. And now let's check the humidifier. It's the second button from the left and it has 3 LED indicators just like the first button, which functions the same way as well. Hope you can see the mist shooting out. By pressing the button once, only the middle nozzle will shoot. 2 presses will activate, first, middle and the last one. So now 3 are shooting out. And another press of the button will enable it to fire all 5. Never let the water vapor from the humidifier get into electronic or electrical devices. Water vapor is too dangerous for electrical or electronic items. The condensation is deadly for them. Let's try to get a better viewing angle. Yeah, this is much better. A mist galore. See how powerful the mist is, with all guns blazing. You will definitely feel the cool in the air. Third button is for LED night light. Every time the button is pressed, it will cycle through the available colors. Let me switch off the room light. That's much better. There are 7 colors altogether. You can cycle them through one by one. It's quite a nice night light. Yes. You can use it in a bedroom as a night light. Quite nice, especially when it's dark. End of the light show. Now for the last button, the fourth one, is the timer. Yes, it has a timer function too. Press it once, one LED will light and it will activate the timer for 1 hour. Twice, 2 LEDs and the timer will be on for 2 hours. And third one, 3 presses will light up 3 LEDs and it will keep it activated for 3 hours. And when you press it again, 4th time, will switch off the time. So as you can see, timer can be set for 1, 2 or 3 hours respectively. When the timer is off, it will operate until manually switched off. Now let's check the power consumption of this. Fan on lower speed, medium speed and full speed. Humidifiers level 1, level 2, level 3. You can see how the power consumption increased in milliampere hours and well as the amperage. Lighting is on, the dim light or the night light, but it doesn't consume much amperes or current. All functions are on at full power. That means this is working fine. When all guns blazing, nozzles shoot parallel to the ground. It's always better to keep the fan tilted slightly upwards, so it will help to spread the mist and carry the coolness with the wind. Never tilt it downwards, otherwise mist will be dragged in and condensation will kill the fan motor. These 5 nozzles need to be kept clean of any dirt or debris. Otherwise, it might get blocked and humidifier will not work properly. Keep water container clean at all times. Otherwise, bacteria and fungus will grow inside and will be released to air through humidifier. The front grill of the fan can be removed for cleaning, and you can clean the fan blades when it's open. Quite a handy feature. Squeeze and hold the latches on top and bottom to pull it out, so you can release the grill. Water in the tank will not last 3 hours if all 5 nozzles are spraying. If you are setting the timer for 3 hours, make sure to put humidifier on the second level. That is, just 3 nozzles are firing. On top is a removable belt. Can be used as a handle when need to be moved or carried. Quite convenient, I may say.